Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to have a look at la négation. That is, how to make the sentences negative in French. For example, I don't have a car. I'm pretty sure by now you must be knowing how to make a sentence like I have a car. But what about I don't have a car? Or a sentence like we are not going to the school. Or you are not eating. So over here, if you pay attention in English, what are we doing? Our verb in the first sentence, I don't have a car, have is the verb. So before the verb, we are placing don't. In the second sentence, we are not going to the school. Going is our verb. So before going, we are placing not. In the third sentence, you are not eating. So eating is our verb. Before eating, we are placing not, right? So basically, we are just placing our negations before the verb in case of English. But what about French? So in French, this is the formation. It is ne plus verb plus pas. So whatever our verb is, for example, if it is manger, regarder, parler, whatever our verb is, before that we have to place ne, that is ne, and after that we have to place pas, pas. Just in case if our verb is starting with a vowel or a silent H, in that case, ne becomes n apostrophe. Alright, let's have a look at few examples. I am watching this movie. So I am watching this movie. The sentence in affirmative tone will be Je regarde ce film. I am watching this movie. So regarde, that is our verb. So before and after the verb, we have to place ne and pas. So it will be Je ne regarde pas ce film. Easy. So the only thing that you have to remember is before the verb ne and after the verb pas. Now, another example. Je parle. That is I am talking. So I am not talking will be Je ne parle pas. J'aime cette maison. I like this house. So I don't like this house will be Je n'aime pas cette maison. Over here, ne becomes n apostrophe. Why? Because our verb that is aim, to like, that is starting with a vowel a. So that's the reason why ne becomes n apostrophe. Alright. Now coming to the rules of French negation. So of course, French will be really incomplete without exceptions or few difficult rules. So over here in case of negation, the rules are indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? Yun and they. So indefinite articles and participative articles. Du, de la, the L apostrophe. These are going to transform into de or d apostrophe when they follow the French negation. So just in case if in the affirmative tone, if in the affirmative sentence we have indefinite articles or participative articles, then when we are converting the same into negative, they are going to change to either de or d apostrophe. D apostrophe in case if it is followed by a vowel. But the only exception to this rule is after the verb être, in which case the article remains the same. So just in case if in our sentence we have the conjugation of the verb être, je suis, tu es, and if that is followed by any of the indefinite articles or participative articles, then in negation that remains same, as contrary to the rule mentioned above. In the above rule, I just mentioned that in case if in the negative sentence we have yun, they, all these are going to convert to de or d apostrophe. But if it is after the verb être, then that is not going to happen. Alright, so let's have a look at the examples. J'ai un chat. I have a cat. J'ai un chat. How will this be in negative? So in case of negative, un is going to convert to de. So je n'ai pas de chat. Okay, I do not have a cat. je n'ai pas. Then il vend des fruits. He sells fruits. So over here, they is going to convert into de. Il ne vend pas de fruits. Third sentence, c'est une chanson française. This is a French song. C'est une chanson française. So if you pay attention over here, we have the conjugation of the verb être, est, c'est. Alright. So in this case, une is not going to convert to de or d apostrophe. It will remain the same. It will be n'est pas une chanson française. Then in the next sentence, nous buvons du café. Again, over here we have du. So du will be converted to de. Nous ne buvons pas de café. Très bien. I hope this was clear, and I would like to see few of the sentences by you in the comments below. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!